Have you ever pondered the idea of cultivating your own medicinal herbs right at home? Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing life, while also reaping the benefits of nature's own pharmacy. First on our list is chamomile. Known for its calming properties, chamomile can help ease the mind, promoting a good night's sleep. To grow chamomile, simply scatter the seeds in a sunny area and water them regularly. Next, consider the versatile peppermint. This herb not only adds a burst of flavor to your dishes, but also aids digestion. Plant it in a container, as it tends to spread rapidly when given space. Thirdly, we have lavender, a plant with a soothing fragrance that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Plant it in well-drained soil, under full sun, and watch the magic happen. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is another medicinal herb worth growing. It's known to boost the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. This robust plant thrives in most soils and prefers full sun. Last but not least, consider cultivating some aloe vera. This easy-to-grow plant is a well-known remedy for skin conditions and can even help with digestion. Place it in a sunny spot and water it sparingly. Now, before we conclude, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more interesting content from Fusion Blends. Finally, picture this: a sunny afternoon, a cup of homemade herbal tea in your hand, and the satisfaction of knowing you've grown the ingredients yourself. As you sit there, savoring the moment, which medicinal herb would you choose to have in your cup? Or perhaps you've already had the pleasure of growing your own herbs. Share your experiences and preferences in the comments below. Remember, every plant tells a story, and we're eager to hear yours.